Hey, it's Sarah here, and we're gonna head out kayaking today. Do some fishing. Just got ourselves some bait in this snazzy little cooler. I'll show you one sec. Right in there, got them on ice, and get ourselves some catfish. Hopefully, we don't keep them ever. We just like catching them, and then we release them. But it's gonna be a good day. High in the 80s. The W word's not bad. Keep your fingers crossed, and good old Putsy Poo gets to join us. So here we go. All right, bait check, snacks check, speaker check, life vest check, reels check, poles check, kayaks check, putts check, and seats and paddles are optional, but we got those too. Ready to go. All right, what are we fishing for?
Fish.
Well, what kind of fish?
Fish that swim.
Oh, God. Cats, baby! We're fishing for cats. Oh, you can't see the kayaks, but they're there. We're ready for them. Are you doing sonar today? Just good old-fashioned, see what we hit at the bottom. All right, here we go. Mishap so far. Help us. Well, the W word picked up a little bit. But we're out here flowing the most efficient way. Sideways. Lines are in. Anchoring's doable for some of us. Beaching for the others. We'll see what we catch. We got one! Woo! Heck yeah! First one. Nice job. Right by that beaver dam there? Yeah. Been on the water for about 38 minutes. So far, one cat caught. Snack break. And enjoying the day. Missy over there enjoying a nice little eddy without having to anchor off. All right, we're gonna try something different. I'm gonna put a piece of cheese on here. What do you think, Puts? Levi has the bait, and I'm not about to go paddle over there, so we'll do some white cheddar. Oh crap! I got it. White cheddar. This might be too soft. It'll work. All right, cheese ball going in.
Cheese ball for night.
Turn this, Puts. And we're in. No bites yet. That's okay. Still got snacks. hate the system. I like Abu's better. It doesn't, like, it's tough to flick that back up. Hey, Wormy. Oh, you got a fat body right there. Sunday morning in the church pew. I don't know how alive you are, bud, but we're gonna use you anyways. 3 should do it. No, but I can't tell where your line is. This. Okay. That'll do. They're pretty snazzy little rod holders. Just push a button and it turns for you. Here we go. Little muddy, Putsy. That'll be fun in the truck. Yeah. Well, I've had one bite. I kept it out there, and then when I reeled it in, bait was gone, so it's promising. Other than that, this W word is really not fun with anchoring. So we'll give it a little longer, see what we get. Then I'll have to go see what Levi's got. Sometimes you just hit rock bottom.
Huh?
Nothing. Depends all on what side of the river you go. I'll put.
Unloaded that one spot.
Yeah. We made it! Woo! We made it! Levi and Kip are off to go get the other truck, bring it back here, load the kayaks up. Those ones. Beautiful day for a float. One cat caught. Levi caught it. But still worth it. Better than being home or at work. All right, everything off the kayaks. Now the fun part. Loading up. Ah, yeah. Good looking truck. Back in we go. It's a good time. Till the next adventure.